Owen did freestyle last year. Owen gets sick about Owen did it
Right to his
last
back.
year. The way like the partners were set up and stuff, a lot of times he would step us and Joe. And then he wouldn't take it that way.
Which isn't necessarily a bad thing now, partner.
Yeah, except Joe wouldn't like do the actual stuff. Come on, Owen.
JV 126, Nelson Rosario High School, fourth play. Yarborough Central, third play. Blackville Central, second place. Seward Christian Brothers, third play.
Sweep that leg out. Come up, sweep that thing. Yeah, they have a lot of kids.
We got a ton of kids, and like, we're losing. They must have like a practice where everybody's trying to get better. There you go. There we go. He's stuck. He's so stuck.
Walk your feet around. There you go. Walk your feet around now. Sit through it. Sit through. Sit. Head up, sit. Right hip through. Right hip.
Set that hip through. It's going to put pressure on him to get your head up.
Sit the right hip through. Those arms tight. Head up.